Okay, hey folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa and my assistant Owen. Roxy's under my feet. She's being a pill today, but she is good as usual. We are talking today quickly about the IceFox UHD 4K action camera. They sent me this to test it out and try it, and it comes with SCADs, scientific term, of options and attachments. We've got a remote control, straps, waterproof housing, batteries, battery charger. I think it will go up to 5 hours of shooting with the two batteries. And really cool, 4K. It's got a motion stabilization, an LCD on the front and an LCD on the back. I'm anxious to give this a try, and we will do so. We're going to make some fun videos. It's got a microphone in it, and so IceFox, awesome. Thank you for sending this, and we will have a good time with making some videos with the UHD 4K from IceFox. Thanks, folks. So this is Barefoot Grandpa, my assistant Owen, who's been really quiet so far, and Roxy, who's been really quiet. So be good humans. Take care of this wonderful world in which we live, and we will talk to you soon.